Till they can turn the camera on. What's up, y'all? Domino here. And Riley just went in the room. And she slammed the door. So, I'm back on the show. And hopefully they don't disconnect me. And here's Jaden. Okay. I watched my back on that one. It's backwards, though. I had another lot.
No paparazzi.
Paparazzi my foot. No paparazzi. So anyway, no papa. Let me see if he locked the door. Yep, he locked the door. So I wasn't gonna go in there anyway, you know. So watching Tom and Jerry right here. It's the Tom and Jerry show. What was that? What was that? I heard something. Did y'all hear something? Oh, never mind that. Somebody close. All right. All right. All right. All right. So. All right. So and well, I'm gonna see this my fun this my fun hurricane season ever, you know. Other ones was bad except no exception to that. You know, because Hurricane Katrina was worse for me. I mean, almost drowning though. So I'm glad you didn't stood for that, you know. I know you can't take the heat, huh? Yeah, we was burning up like I'm telling the viewers that too. All right, so yeah. Oh, what's up? Oh. All right. Okay. So bring your purse.
I gotta get my toiletry bag upstairs.
All right.
Right there, Brian.
Ain't nobody going. Well, nobody can't see you. All right. Well, you did they all this saw me, but then. Yeah.
I buy for you to go up there and get my purse.
Sure.
And I'll go get it.
Sure. All right. The viewers gonna follow me. If I don't, well, Facebook right now, then YouTube later. If I don't get disconnected. Yeah. If I don't be disconnected. So I'm always disconnected. Oh well. All right. Let's turn the turn the light on right here. This not right. I mean, this is a huge room, yo. I sure wish I could. I mean, a lovely house, a lovely place. You know, like they say, you can't be jealous of a person's success. God don't like that. Yep. An upstairs living room. Well, I would call it a hallway. Anybody could have a TV in the hallway. I would have a TV in the hallway. Yep. Yes, I would. And there go Eva. Yep. All right, so here we go.
Thank you, baby.
All right. Oh, you need a water?
Thank you.
Huh? Oh, on the.
Yeah, they do. I gotta put some cold ones in here to get some. Yeah, give me one of that. Hey, Brian.
All right. So, look at Ava.
Put about 10 in here.
Hey, Ava, you on TV? Say hey. All right. You coming close to the camera. All right. Got the water for you.
Thank you, Ron.
All right. What you got to say, Ava? Hello. Hello.
Well, you dressed to kill. Your mama know how to dress to kill.
Yeah, that's true. True.